In this video, I'm going to explain how to fix a MoneyGram transfer failed with charge and what you should do to protect your money. So first thing you need to do is check your MoneyGram account or email to see the exact failure reason. Next, verify whether the charge amount is marked as pending or completed on your bank statement because failed transfers are often automatically refunded within a few business days. Then, avoid sending another transfer immediately to prevent double charges. Also, make sure your payment method has sufficient balance and is not blocking international or online transactions. And if the charge is completed but no refund appears after the expected time frame, contact MoneyGram customer support with your reference number and payment details so they can trace the charge and process the refund properly. So that's it.